Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Mane and I am student from Britsang classes. So today I will talk about the topic blood. So the blood is the very important component in human body and other animals. So the blood is the body fluid in the circulatory system of humans and other vertebrae which is the main function is transport the nutrients, oxygen gases or other important components, and also it is transported the metabolic waste substances out from the body, such as urea, uric acid or carbon dioxide. And then the blood composed of a blood cells suspended in a blood plasma, and in that plasma which contain 55% in the of a body fluid, in which 92% is the water and 8% is the other nutrients, proteins, glucose and fat ions, also the hormones. So the blood cells are mainly present in a three types, in that red blood cells, white blood cells and platelet. So the red blood cells also called as erythrocyte and white blood cells also called as leukocytes. So the most abundant cell are red blood cells. Red blood cells contains hemoglobin and hemoglobin which is facilitate oxygen transport by reversible binding to it, increasing its solubility. Also blood is circulated around the body through the blood vessels by pumping action of the heart, means heart pumping the blood, and it is uh, transported throughout the body with the help of blood vessel. And in animals such as in animals with the lungs, arteries blood carries oxygen from inhaled air to the tissue of the heart, and also then the venous blood carries the deoxygenated blood, and it is exhaled out from the body with the help of nose. Also this waste or carbon dioxide contains also called as metabolic waste products. And then blood is a bright red when its hemoglobin is oxygenated, and the blood is a dark red when it is in deoxygenation. So these are the this is all about the blood. So there are so many main functions of the blood, like in that first one is the trans, transport of the transport of the oxygen to the tissues. In that red blood cells or a blood bound to hemoglobin, which is carried in the red cells. Then the second function is a supply of nutrients such as fatty acid, glucose, amino acids, and in that case dissolve in the blood or bound to plasma protein. So this is also the main function. Then after that, removal of the waste such as carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid. Then the it contains also immunological function, in that including including circulation of the white blood cells, and detection of against the bacteria or against the foreign materials by antibodies. So this is also the main function of the blood. Then the coagulation, in the coagulation, in which when the patient is injured, and in that case, a patient has a lot of bleeding, so the blood helping by coagulation. So in that, thin blood is a transport into the, or a liquid blood is a transport into the semi solid blood to control the bleeding. So these are the some important functions of the blood in the human body. Thank you.